In this instructional video, we'll be reviewing the steps to disconnect the Rotochopper horizontal grinder from a Generation II Transport Dolly. First, always ensure proper safety protocol is followed and appropriate PPE is worn. Disconnecting the Transport Dolly, start with the horizontal grinder and Transport Dolly parked on the most level, solid ground. Remove any binding holding the tracks during transport. Close the tank valve on the Dolly rear tank, then open the airbag valve, which will release the airbags on the Dolly. Place wheel chucks on the Dolly wheels. Disconnect the light arrow lines from the Transport Dolly to horizontal grinder. Then start the horizontal grinder. Remove the landing gear pins on both sides of the grinder and lower the landing gear to support the front of the grinder. Disconnect the semi-truck and then pull forward. And be sure to park out of the way. Raise the landing gear until fully retracted. And install the landing gear pins on both sides of the horizontal grinder. Remove the retaining bolts from the locking pins on both sides of the grinder using a wrench. Access the hydraulic control lever located under the radiator on the grinder to fully retract the locking pins. On the control panel, switch the grinder settings to Dolly mode. Using the wireless or tether remote, track the grinder straight off the Transport Dolly. Make sure all the parts and components of the grinder are fully clear of the Transport Dolly before switching off of the Dolly mode setting. For any additional questions, please contact the Rotochopper Customer Support Team. Thank you for choosing Rotochopper for your grinding solutions. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more Rotochopper University videos like this one.